Hello guys, let's start and see how we can create this slide. You see it has its own create graph. Let's try to create it. At first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide we are going to create in contrast of this slide. So because of that our background is going to be black, and when applied to all, you see we have a problem here. So I'm going here and put it back to white so it's visible for you. After that we need to have this text. It's an easy text, it has nothing to it. And in our new slide we need to create something crazier. We need to create these two things. Okay, paste it here, but we need to color them in the white and for this effect. So how we can have this effect? You see here this effect is created by two circles. So we can create it really easily here. What we need to do is that we need to create a big circle. Okay, let me increase in size and then align it center, align it middle, then send it to back and just simply color it black. And cover the background white. It's black and we need to apply the background to be white. Okay, now this slide is created. We need to change this color to black also. But you see, this way we don't have any transition. For that we need to add two rectangles here. Let's add these two rectangles here. And I'm going to color them yellow for another effect. And I'm going to color one of them yellow and another one blue. Then I'm going to copy these two things and paste them here, but with a little change. Now let's take a look and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see it's look as beautiful as possible. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.